How to fix you have too many friends on Snapchat. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to solve the issue of having too many friends on Snapchat, you are in the right place. Here's a clear step-by-step guide to help you fix it. First, open the Snapchat app on your new device and navigate to your profile by tapping the avatar icon in the top left corner. Then scroll down to find the My Friends section and click on it. Here you will see a list of all your friends. To manage your friends, delete unnecessary friends. If you want to remove someone from a friend list, press and hold their name. Then select Manage Friendship and click on Remove Friend or Block. This will allow you to free up space so you can add new friends. If you still need assistance, follow these steps. First, go back to your profile page by tapping the profile icon. Then tap the gear icon in the top right corner to access settings. Now, scroll down to support and select I need help. And scroll down to find the Contact Us button. Respond to the prompts and select your device. Now, fill out the required information such as your username, email address, and mobile number and when the issue started. In the description field, explain your problem clearly, such as I can't add more friends or please help me fix this. Alternatively, consider subscribing to the Snapchat Plus for an increased ability to add friends. I hope this guide helped you. If it did, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.